Today I'll be sharing my experience with making the beetroot infused lip balm. So I wanted to make a colored lip balm, and then I decided to add beetroot powder, and then I will share with you how it came out. Welcome back to my YouTube channel here at Midex Formulation School. I share cosmetic tips, DIY, my experiences, free recipes and formulas. So if you're here to subscribe, please do subscribe because you're going to learn a lot on this channel. So check the description box for the formula of this particular lip balm. And I've made a lip balm on this channel before, but the difference with this one is that I'm adding beetroot powder. So I already started measuring the ingredients. So that's the different oils, butter, there's going to be beeswax there and different kinds of ingredients. If you just want to get the full ingredients and the measurement, just check the description box to get that. And then the next thing, I'm going to be adding the beeswax, and then after I add the beeswax, I'm going to put it in a double boiler for it to melt. Remember, we're going to melt it before we add the ingredients like the vitamin E and the essential oil. So here it is, it's melted already, and I'll go ahead to add my vitamin E and essential oil. And make sure when you're adding the oil, you mix it. Because the day you add the oil, you solidify inside that hot one. So you just mix it a little, then add the essential oil, mix it a little, And one thing I really love about making lip balm myself is that it's really moisturizing, And if I mistakenly lick it, it's not going to have any adverse effect on me, like purely natural, no chemical. I really love things like that, So now the next thing, I'm going to be adding the beetroot powder, and there are different types of colorants. You can go to my YouTube channel. There was this particular video I did, this Christmas butter video, and I explored different natural colorants. So there are different natural colorants you can actually use and try out. But in this video, I tried using beetroot powder because I wanted something like this pink colored lip balm, right? So let's see how it's going to turn out, though. Let's just see how this turned out. So here's the consistency before it solidifies. So you just put it in a cool place, just leave it somewhere so it can solidify. Like if it gets hard, so we don't need to do any other thing, just leave it somewhere. So here is the outcome of our lip balm. And what I noticed in this experiment, and which I've actually noticed in the experiment with beetroot, is that it used to settle, right? It used to settle. So maybe the next time I'll use beetroot oil, or I can decide to explore mica powder, because I have mica powder in my pantry. But I know that most of you will not have mica powder, especially if you are not like you're not someone that formulates a lot. So you can still explore different kinds of colorants. You can still explore different kinds of natural colorants. So this is it. You see the thing settled to the bottom. It settled to the bottom. So, and the reason why I didn't want to also make beetroot oil myself was when I make beetroot oil too, it settles. And by the time it settles, the oil on top will not be that red. So this is it. It settled to the bottom. So there won't be much difference in the. Okay, this one has not yet completely solidified like this. I made this one first. This is the pure one without the beetroot. So this has not yet solidified completely, but the thing is I'm actually going out. So it hasn't solidified completely, and so when it solidifies completely, then it will be as hard as this one, you understand? So the thing is, it's not going to be red like the way I wanted it. So I'm still going to explore different colorants and see how it will go. So this is it. But one thing about this lip balm is that it's going to be really, it's going to really, I'm even putting it on my lips right now, and it looks really good. If I show my lips. But that was weird. Anyways, so that is still going to solidify. It smells so nice. Oh my god, it smells really nice because of the essential that I put there. So if you want to make your own lip balm, this is how you make it, right? And just wait for a while and it's going to solidify. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm still exploring a lot that I'm going to be sharing with you all.